dinner. So tonight I've got a sausage surprise. Basically I just used all bits and bobs that needed to be used up, bunged it all together, and that's what I come out with. Now the spinach makes it look really, really nice. I used, should I use a bowl or plate? Let's use a bowl. I used some quark from yesterday, a Philadelphia light to make the creamy sauce, stock cube and other bits and bobs. I'll make the video and put it on Facebook with the recipe. And you can put pasta in there, but I'm going to put some veggies. Now, there's some veggies. Quick, easy, simple. I reckon you could feed 5 there, 4, 5, for less than a £5. Let me give it a try. It smells lovely. Heck, chicken sausage. Yeah, that's nice. Carrots. Now, they were fresh and they're frozen because they run out of date, but you can definitely taste the difference between fresh and frozen, I think. Cauliflower and a little bit of broccoli.